Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove the background in an image. So let's started. At first open your desktop, now refresh your desktop. This image background remove. Firstly open the any browser. My choose Chrome browser and now open the Chrome browser option. Then show the Chrome browser open is show the search bar. Now click for the search bar option. This search bar right is the right from the remove background. Now automatic show is remove background from image free. Now for click. Now keyboard press enter. Then show the firstly remove background from image for free. Remove busy. Now for click. Then waiting. Then show the website is the upload image from status bar is now for click. Then file is NSS picture. Now for click. Now click for the open option. Then waiting for the remove background. That's okay. Then show the remove the background from image. This background image from the download is my file. Now for click download option. That's okay. Then successful is the background image from download. Then show the then open the my file option. Then click with the download option. That's okay. Then show the remove background image from the PC. That's okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.